Hi, I'm Glenda Granger. I'm a registered nurse and have practiced in the state of Texas since 1979. I practiced at Seton Hospital in Austin, Texas, and at St. Luke's Hospital in the Texas Medical Center, primarily in the areas of intensive care and cardiovascular nursing. Today, I'm a nursing consultant with the law firm of Blizzard, McCarthy, and Neighbors. I want to talk to you today about peripheral neuropathy, what it is, what are its symptoms, what are its causes, and what you should do if you feel you have this condition. Peripheral neuropathy is a medical condition that involves the nerves that carry information to and from the brain and spinal cord. This can lead to a loss of sensation, pain, and inability to coordinate your muscles. Peripheral means distant from the center of the body. Neuro means nerve, and pathy means abnormal. The symptoms of peripheral neuropathy can include numbness, tingling, weakness, even burning sensations and pain, loss of balance and poor coordination, and difficulty walking. For many neuropathies, the loss begins with a sensory loss, such as numbness and tingling, in the feet, and may progress towards the center of the body. One of the patients I spoke with recently said that her neuropathy began with numbness and tingling in her toes, that over a period of months progressed up her feet and legs. Today, she requires a walker to get around. Another patient told me that her sensory loss began in her fingers and progressed up her arms and affected her ability to grasp and hold on to things. The symptoms of peripheral neuropathy may vary, but they can be progressive, which is why it's important to seek medical evaluation as soon as those symptoms are noticed. Peripheral neuropathy may be caused by many factors. Recent medical studies have indicated that exposure to zinc can result in neuropathies. Zinc is contained in many denture cream adhesives. These studies have also shown that excessive zinc can lead to a copper deficiency, which can result in a peripheral neuropathy. Many of the patients that we have seen did not realize that their neuropathy was caused by their denture cream. That is why it's very important, if you have any of these symptoms or feel you have this condition, to seek prompt medical evaluation. Your doctor can perform simple blood tests to determine the levels of zinc and copper in your body to see if you are suffering from a denture cream-induced zinc toxicity with a resulting neuropathy. I hope that this information has been helpful to you. If you feel you suffer from this condition, we urge you to get a medical evaluation and blood tests as soon as possible. If you have further questions or would like more information, please fill out the contact form at our website at denturecreamjustice.com, or feel free to call us at our toll-free number 866-941-1947. I'm Glenda Granger, a nurse consultant with Blizzard, McCarthy, and Neighbors.